Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how we built a water catchment system for our chicks that allows us to save time by eliminating the need to give them fresh water ourselves. This concept can be used on any scale for almost every animal. We followed the chicken nipple manufacturer's instructions by drilling holes into a PVC pipe, and included an attachment for your drill to make screwing them in a lot easier. We also used a non-toxic waterproof caulk to add extra leak protection. Next, we drilled a hole into a 7-gallon water jug to fit a barbed adapter for the vinyl tubing, as well as a hole on top to catch the water. We used duct tape to secure some screen to catch debris and keep pests out. Using 2x4s, we made a small stand for the jug to fit right underneath the gutter that it's attached to the back of the coop. This corrugated roofing material installed at a slight angle catches rain and aims it at the gutter where a small hole drips water directly into the water jug. As the jug is filled, it goes into the tubing and to the PVC pipe that has a barb installed on one end and an end cap onto the other. Now our girls have all the fresh rainwater they'll ever need. Now that we've proven this system works, we'll construct a 55-gallon version that will be used when the babies and older chickens are combined. We also have a 275-gallon IBC tote that will be rigged similarly for our pigs that we're getting soon. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting a lot more videos with DIY builds, equipment reviews, and vlogs of farm updates. Thanks for watching!